Good day, GIS lovers. Welcome to the world of GIS. Do you want to learn GIS, remote sensing, Python programming by using all types of desktop GIS softwares from the beginner to pro? Then this GIS Mega Course is for you. It will be your one-time investment having lifetime opportunities. Because in this course, we are going to learn basic to advanced GIS mapping by using ArcGIS Software Package, ArcGIS Pro, and also QGIS. We will learn basic to advanced Python programming in a very easy and interesting way. Not only that, in this course we have remote sensing also. After completing this course, you will have a clear and deeper knowledge on remote sensing. We will do our remote sensing and raster analysis using ArcGIS software and also QGIS. Myself, Shahriar, an internationally award-winning GIS teacher and speaker, I have been working globally in the GIS and WebGIS sector since 2007. Now let's see what we are going to learn in this GIS Mega Course. We will learn how to create a shapefile in ArcGIS Pro, ArcMap, and QGIS. How to work with raster data in 3D base map. Map digitizing and shapefile editing. Attribute table and data analysis. Geometric calculation. WebGIS. Google Earth Pro. Spatial data analysis. We will learn what is remote sensing, types of satellite image, what is band, Landsat image, and what is DEM data actually. Raster data analysis. Hillshade analysis and effects for better presentation. Watershed delineation analysis by using raster elevation data. Not only that, before doing this practically, we will learn also what is watershed delineation. We will explain all of those steps of analysis which are being used in watershed delineation. Because without knowing this, how you can do this practically in your future research work of watershed delineation. Map labeling and symbology. How to present your population data with map diagram. How to download OpenStreetMap as a shapefile of any area with QGIS. We will learn what is geodatabase, types of geodatabase, and how to create different types of geodatabase practically, easily, in an interesting way. And this is not the end. We are going to learn Python programming for ArcGIS, what is ArcPy, how to use Python script in our ArcGIS interface, magical trick to start any programming language very easily. You are going to enjoy the world of programming also. How to create a professional informative map layout very easily. Map georeferencing. And if you don't have any knowledge of GIS, then don't worry. This course will make you also from zero to hero in GIS, and not only that, there are many more interesting topics are waiting for you in this course. If you want to learn all of this, then enroll in this course to enjoy the field of GIS.